this is an immature one. This is sort of 80% grown. Yeah. So probably about 2.5 years old. And when they're 3, those colours are fully developed. The cask is fully developed. And all the little brown feathers, there's some brown feathers on the bum. They'll all be gone when she's fully mature, or he's fully mature. You don't know what he is, whether he's a boy or a girl. It's hard to tell. Generally the females are big, the boys are little. Just watch, keep that tail still. This cicadas. So that bird's sitting, yeah, it's not standing, it's sitting. So it stood up, but another half foot of height probably.
Really? Wow.
Or another foot of height probably. And so the feet are lying like this on the ground at the moment. Yeah. The legs and the feet.
I'd love to see if there's walk across there.
Yeah.
Don't you go in from behind?
Down the Kinsey. Pretty chilled out bird, but this bird lives in this bit of the forest. We don't get it here much, but I got it here a couple of weeks ago, and it was really put off by people. It was really kind of up tall and really alert and just not comfortable. It just took off. So we're lucky it's putting up with our presence at the moment. Pretty cool.
Like this, isn't it?